From the results of the Euro to US dollar backtest M30 time frame, it can generate a total net profit of $759,037.05 from a capital of $100. Hello traders. In the previous video, I shared EA Read Dragon for free with you. And in this video I will review the results of live trading using the Forex Expert Advisor EA Read Dragon from November 7, 2022 to November 11, 2022, or about 1 week I ran EA Read Hunter. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and get other free expert advisors. I will review a little more about the EA Read Dragon. This expert advisor works using a hedging system and does not use the martingale, arbitrage and grid systems. From the results of the backtest that has been done, this Forex expert advisor can make $759,037 from a capital of $100, from 2018 to 2020. But will it still work in 2022? For that you have to make observations. Learn how it works before using real money. I myself am also making observations. I will check the live trading results with the M30 time frame. In November, the profit was 7.18%. With a relatively small drawdown. Total trades are 957 transactions. 513 profit transactions and 444 loss transactions. A maximum of 12 consecutive win transactions and a maximum of 7 consecutive losing transactions. Only 3 pairs are executed, namely Euro to US dollar to Japanese yen and Pound sterling to US dollar. For drawdown details you can pay attention to this information. Slippage details for each broker can also be seen here. Lowest slippage at Exness Broker. If you are interested in using Exness Broker, I have also provided a registration link in the description of this video. I will show you the results for 1 week using EA Read Dragon. From a capital of $500 I run the Euro to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese yen pairs. For transaction details, you can watch this video. The total profit earned was $341. For more details, you can pay attention to the information on the results of this live trading. Total net profit of $341.71. Profit factor 2.35. Maximum drawdown of $195.80 or about 27.84%. A maximum of 27 consecutive win transactions and a maximum of 7 consecutive losing transactions. Okay. This is the result of live trading that I run. I share with you as reference material. If you are interested, I advise you to learn first on a demo account for at least 1 month. If you are sure, you can switch to using real money. This is a step to reduce losses. What do you think about this Forex Expert Advisor? Will EA Read Dragon continue to produce? Let's see the results in the next month. Don't forget to give your opinion in the comments column to discuss. Thanks for watching till the end.